What's up, everybody? Out here in the shop today a little bit, trying to work on a few things. This will be kind of a what you totin' kind of new thing video. First thing I want to show you guys is this right here. Some of y'all may know what this is, some of you may not, but it is a Zippo. And it comes to this thing right here. It's got Zippo on it. And as you take it out of the case, you see it right there. It says Zippo on it. So, what this is, the deer season's coming up. It's a hand warmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. See, it's got 20 on there. So I bought this in 2020. And it has an F on it. So I don't know what the F stands for. But you take this off. Look down in there, you guys. See that hole? So how this thing works is you fill this thing up. And there's a line right there. It says 12 on it. See that line right there? So you fill this thing up with Zippo fluid and you pour it down in there. And then you place this, which has got a wick in it. You place it on here. And you light it. Then you stick the cap back on it. And you have to use this bag. This is a fire resistant bag. And you send it down like that. It gets a little air in there, and as this thing burns, it creates a hot hand effect. But this, by far, is the best hand warmer that I have found on the market. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't put off a smell. Now, it puts off, depending on how much you pull this thing out of the bag, you could sit here with it just like this and let it burn, let it catch up a little bit, and it will become very hot because there is fire in it. And but if I'm going hunting in the morning, I fill this thing up about, I don't know, about halfway from the 12-hour line. And it lasts a good long time before it ever runs out. And I've used it on them cold mornings up there hunting. Works really good. So, yeah, that's my Zippo. If y'all see these, buy these, because They're a little expensive, but they work really good for the deer hunting. Let's see. What am I toting? I've got my orange large stockman with me today. You know, near perfect condition. Sheep's foot. Doesn't have half stops. I'm actually going to work on a laser project for this. That's why I have it with me. And I kind of got this old gal out. It's a no name, so I don't know exactly what it is. It's shaped kind of like a medium stockman, but it has that awl. It's a pretty old pocket knife. But it's in pretty good shape for the age of it. See them. Felt like I had to sneeze, sorry. But yep, kind of see them. They're in good shape. They're real close together. This pocket knife doesn't have half stops either. It's open and closed. Has pretty good action on it. I cleaned it up a little bit, but it needs a little bit more TLC. Let's see. What else have I got? I've got the old Air Ranger, a Gerber. Got my lanyard put on there. I've come to like this knife pretty well. I normally don't like Gerber knives, but this one here has kind of tickled my fancy for some reason. You know, it has the aluminum handles and the painted red, which is generally not my favorite color, but I kind of like that color. I like the red and the dark together. I think that works as a pretty good combination. And then I also have the old Pry Bird here. It's another Gerber. You know, it has the utility blade in it, which makes that pretty nice, you know, handout knife. If somebody asks for a pocket knife, hey, here you go. We could replace a blade on that one, you know. And then also I have my granddaddy's sharpening stone. You know, a lot of those older men, and they carried one of these around. I don't know how well this will pick it up, but look how wore that thing is. That's one of those worry rocks that Brother Terry over at Terry's Nice Man Stuff, that's one of those like he's got. It's a worry rock. All them old guys will sit there and you can watch them, they'll get them a pocket knife out. This ain't sharp. And they'll and that's the way they sharpen their pocket knife. And but this thing went through a lot. This was in a I found this. It was in a total loss house fire. And that corner right there is the only thing that's been up. You can tell it's kind of dark up in here. But I don't carry that around. I just thought I would show that to y'all because I like it. It's kind of an old style way of doing things, and we're all kind of old style. And I guess that's it. Other than, my typical stuff, keys and stuff like that. But I just wanted to get on here real quick and let you guys know about this here Zippo. I really like carrying this thing, and whenever I'm going out hunting, because that thing, it does a really good job. And that's the only Zippo I own, so so there you go, guys. That's all I got for you today. Remember to live life outdoors. And as always, God bless.